Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can have the chance to actually interact with Lady Gaga herself. So there are posters around this room. Mayhem is coming. Join the meet and greet on Saturday. Use the hashtag Mayhem to impress on TikTok and Instagram to enter in the contest judged by Lady Gaga herself. So she's actually going to be on Roblox judging your outfits. So make sure your outfit is good. You're just going to want to put on some Lady Gaga iconic outfits, obviously. And for me, I think you should, not for me, I meant I think you should use other items that are not in the Lady Gaga area too to make her outfit so that you'll stand out a little bit more. Edit it more, make it into a really cool video to grab their attention. And yeah, I really hope whoever enters win. There's going to be two separate ones, one for influencers and one for just players, I guess, for non-influencers. So hopefully you guys get the chance to win this. I'm not entering because I'm not the biggest Lady Gaga fan. If this was Taylor Swift, I'd probably make 10,000 content right now. But I really hope other people who actually deserve it and actually are the biggest fan of Lady Gaga deserve this, and hopefully they'll get to interact with her. Again, I'm not saying Lady Gaga is bad. I actually love her music, but I'm not the number one fan, and I think other people deserve to enter it more than me. So yeah, good luck to everyone. I really hope you guys get the chance to interact with Lady Gaga. And yeah, good luck. I keep saying that, but that is it for this video. Don't forget to put in the hashtag Mayhem to impress for this. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.